Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'll be teaching us how to make this beaded hoop earring. Yes, so basically what we need for this project, we need the bare hoops. I bought this from the local market here in Nigeria for about 150 naira. That's about 50 cents. And I would be using beads. For this project, I want to use two colors of beads, red and gold, just because it's Christmas. So I want something I could use for Christmas parties and all of that. I'm also going to be making use of gold wire. If you're going to be working with silver hoops, obviously you will be needing silver wire, but because I'm working with gold hoops, I'll be using gold wire. Yeah, that's all we need to get started. First thing I would like to show in this video is what I do to my costume jewelry to prevent it from tarnishing. Basically, because this is a cheap product and I know that it's not going to last very long if I do not protect the jewelry, I coat it with my nail hardener. So basically it's just like painting. I just use the brush of the hardener to just paint around the hoop earrings. And I do it for pretty much my costume jewelry. Earrings, necklaces, to just prevent it from tarnishing very quickly. So as long as this layer of nail hardener is around it, like, it's not going to tarnish. And I'm also someone that reacts to jewelry when it's not real gold, so I start having rashes when I wear them. But when I put this protective layer, it kind of prevents the jewelry from being in contact with my skin, and it reduces the effects, the itchy effects, to the barest minimum. So yeah, it's something you could do. And after coating it like this, you leave it to dry. I like to do it overnight. So I'm just showing you how you do it, but I already did it to the hoops I'm going to be using for this project. So basically what we're trying to achieve is this, and this is what the hoops look like. I'll be using beads and wire. And you could also do this for bracelets, pretty much anything that's circular you could use for bracelets. You could do it with smaller earrings. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I am not measuring my wire right now, but I'm going to just I could estimate, sorry. So I know that this is about 20 inches long. Yeah, or 20 something. Yeah, so, and the reason why I'm not measuring is because for this project, you really do not need to be very precise. If our wire is not enough as we go on, we can always use more wire, sorry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my beads onto the wire, alternating the colors, like one red, one gold, one red, one gold, like that. You don't have to do that. You could use just one color, you could use 3 colors and just mix it up anyhow you want. So one red, one gold, yeah, like that. Also, I'm not counting how many beads I'm putting onto this wire because it's just something I'm just like doing for the first time actually. But when I'm done, I'm going to let you know how many beads I used, just for reference purposes. Right. Okay, so basically I have some beads. I can start off with this knowing fully well that I can add more beads as I go along. So the first thing I do is I'm going to wrap. Sorry, I have beads flying all over the place, like ugh. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to wrap around like 2 or 3 times just to secure the wire I'll be working with. It's actually easier if you start with a shorter length of wire. Okay, so I've wrapped this around twice. Next thing I do is I'm going to move 1 bead forward, and I'll use my finger to secure it and then take the wire around. I'll try to do it like as tight as I can so it's really secure. I'm going to take the wire around twice, and then I'll continue that process till I go round my hoop. That's basically all we would be doing. So this is what I've done so far. I'm just going to get it round. And the good thing about this earring is it's very easy to make, it's very cheap, and you can use it as a very nice Christmas gift. You could wear it to a Christmas party, and you could even sell it for profit. Yeah. Okay, so at this point I've gotten to the end of the wire where I've gotten to the part where my bead stops and I need to be adding more beads. So what I do is I'm going to open up this loop I created at the end to prevent the bead from falling out, and I'll start adding beads onto the wire as I go along. Sorry, let me just cut this. So at this point I can just be adding each bead as I go along. gradually come to the end of this project. Very, very fast to make, and the good thing is, if you want, you could loosen all the beads at a later time and put in another set of colors. That's if you want. Okay, so at the end, I'm just going to make 3 hoops, I'm just going to wrap the wire around to secure it, and I'm done with my earring. So I have my set of earrings, and I'm going to be wearing this now so you see what it looks like.